it behind us, guys. Can you see it? It's got a sign on that says private residence, so we're being a little bit obnoxious by filming on the street corner across the street, but at least we didn't stand right in front of their house on the sidewalk, right in front of their house.
Yes, yes. So it's Alina's house. The family must feel so lucky they're living in Alina's house.
Okay, well, I don't know about lucky because they've got idiots like us that drive by or come by and sit on the sidewalk and take pictures. But they knew it when they bought it, right? They knew that when whoever bought that house, because that house went up for sale a couple of years ago after the Vampire Diaries, and so they bought it knowing that it was the house that was filmed.
It's a famous house.
Yeah, so they bought it. It's like moving to the Amityville horror house, I guess.
Do you think the house was expensive when we bought it since it's a famous house?
Well, I just saw on the internet as we were walking over here, because we walked up and we weren't sure if it was the right house, and so we looked up the pictures, and I think they said it sold for about $450,000, about $500,000. So yeah, it's expensive. But I mean, Covington's a nice little area, and it's interesting that they picked this house, which is literally, I mean, it's not even a 5-minute walk from the Mystic Grill and the clock tower downtown. So I guess it was real convenient for filming.
This town is very beautiful. The houses, it's my style of houses. I mean, I like the style. It's like the old-fashioned style. I like it.
It's got a lot of antebellum houses here. I mean, lot of really large columns and walk-around porches.
Yes, I like those type of houses.
There's the Elena house. I think she's up in the window waiting for Stefan, or maybe Damon.
It's Damon.
Damon is gonna sneak up there at night. Oh, and going through her bedroom window. What's he gonna do once he gets through the bedroom window? He's gonna bite her on the neck.
Okay, let's go to the other place. Alina's house. So this is where the werewolf family, I don't remember his name. I just remember the werewolf family living here, and this is their mansion. We're on the sidewalk of the werewolf family's house.
The mansion that the werewolf family lived in
yes,
the show.
Yes, and it's fine. We're filming here. They allow to.
But nobody cares. We're on the sidewalk. I mean, I don't even know why you're talking about that.
So I just want to see that we're allowed to film this house.
Because she's super nervous about filming stuff, because she's always afraid now that somebody's going to, you know, sue her or get in trouble for something.
Yes, I want to be in the movies and the shows.
You're in a show every day.
No,
you make
different.
a show every day.
That's different.
How is it different?
I don't want to be a director. I want to be actor.
Here comes a werewolf. He's running at you.
I would like to be in a popular movie, a popular TV show. Or I want to be a zombie in Walking Dead. I wish I live in this mansion. Do you want to live in this mansion?
No, I don't want to pay the property taxes on it. And I don't want to have to worry about the security with people coming up here taking pictures from the sidewalk. And I don't want to pay the maintenance. And I don't want to cut the grass.
What I mean is to living there for a week, not forever.
Yeah, I don't even want to live in there for a week.
I want to experience what the life looks like.
You know what
one day.
You know what the life looks like.
Or even one day living in a super fancy mansion.
My super fancy mansion is not enough for you?
No, that's normal people's house. I mean mansion, luxurious mansion.
My house, our house is not luxurious enough for you?
What I mean is to experience one day. We don't have to have it forever, just experience one day.
I like my house. I really don't like my house. My house needs to be better.
Yeah,
more fancy. We need marble bathtubs.
I like
servant
our
quarters.
Home. I like our home.
Big fence around the outside.
Where's Klaus' house?
I don't know where Klaus's house is at, baby. Right up there is the doctor's office, the Elena Gilbert doctor office, where her dad was a doctor. And then apparently in the second spin-offs called the, I don't know, the Ancestors, Children, Progeny, I don't know, some other spin-off.
I don't know.
Anyway, apparently there's a doctor's office up there that's got her.
I want to go to Klaus.
Baby, then I don't know how to get there. All I know is the Elena Gilbert house, and then the big werewolf house, and then there's the Mystic Grill, and the clock tower, and then the doctor's office. That's how I know how to get to. Okay. That's what I know where to go.
Okay. And the houses here are very beautiful. Very beautiful houses here. Very beautiful. I wish I'm living here. This is... Wow, it must be very lucky living in this house. The gift shop. Oh, it's a Stephen.
Yeah, he looks better. See, you look life size. I'm taller. I'm taller.
Yes. Is there clothes?
She said this is their wardrobe. I don't know if it's the real wardrobe or...
Is any clothes you like? I think the guy's clothes look better, right? Also has the signature on it. Is that?
Yes, baby, that's your favorite one. Who's your favorite one, Damon or Stefan?
Damon. I like this shirt actually. Do you like it?
It's a wonderful shirt.
You would look very handsome in this shirt. This one is the Stefan's shirt. Ah, Caroline? I don't remember she was wearing it. Oh, is this Klaus? I like Klaus. I like Klaus. Do you think the Klaus is the most handsome vampire in the TV?
Elijah, Rebecca, and Haley's.
Do you like this? Mystic Falls Tours. It's open. Catherine's necklace. Is there rings?
Rings for what, baby?
So you can walk in the daytime. Do you remember we made something like that? We made, and you threw that one away.
And look, these are $8.
And I made. Do you remember I made one and mine has a two, and you threw that one away. Can't believe it. Otherwise we can use it. Did you think it tastes good?
No, baby, I don't. I think it probably tastes like Kool-Aid.
Oh, it's a energy drink.
Here we go.
I think you're more handsome.
Does he look grumpy? Here, let me do it. I can look grumpy too.
Yes.
Elena Gilbert's the name of the girl in the movie. That's her real name.
Yes, I know.
Okay, this is the show she was in, and...
Oh, they didn't put the...
Yeah, so they started filming in 2009, and they finished apparently in 2017. 2 years ago. Apparently she became a doctor after she married the Salvatore. The Salvatore boys.
I think this place is very colorful. I would like to get the pistachio.
Okay, may we please have one of these cones with the pistachio? Can we get one of the chocolate cones with the Belgian chocolate, please? How is it?
Not my favorite.
Baby, you said that you wanted it. It's pistachio. It's fine. This is the Belgian chocolate. This ice cream store, Scoops here, it's actually really nice. This actually has got a lot of people walking around ordering ice cream, and it's got a great selection of candy. I've been really surprised about the town square here in Covington. I mean, it's actually a functioning town square. A lot of little town squares here in the south, they're half dead.
Because this is the Vampire Diary town. That's why it's many people here.
But they haven't been filming the Vampire Diaries here in a couple of years. But it's a functioning town. I mean, every store's got something going on, and people are walking around taking pictures. Nice little place.
I think it's a perfect place to date. So the first date. Why are you looking at me like that? Like this, the first bite was not good, but when you eat it, it's getting good.
Is it because you were expecting mint chocolate chip? Were you expecting mint chocolate chip and you got a different flavor? Do you like the chocolate or not?
I think I prefer that one.
Okay, you're back.
The chocolate is a little bit bitter.
Okay guys, well that was our afternoon at Mystic Falls, Virginia, which is actually Covington, Georgia.
Yes, and we didn't see Damon.
Or Elena.
Or Steph.
Or Klaus.
Yes, my favorite Klaus.
We didn't see anybody.
Yeah.
We didn't even see a werewolf, we didn't see a vampire, didn't see anything. But we did get to see their houses, and we got to eat an Angus hamburger and a really fancy grilled cheese sandwich, and we got to go to a really nice ice cream store.
Yes. it was a great date.
So all in all, it was a pretty good day.
Yes.
So if you happen to be in and around Atlanta and you want to drive about maybe, was it 20 minutes outside of Atlanta?
Oh, 20, it's about...
I don't think it's more than about 20 minutes outside of Atlanta to get to Covington. It's a nice little town, it's a nice little downtown area, and they've got some nice little stores. Good Saturday afternoon.
Yes, and it's sunny and warm.
Well anyway, this is what it looks like, guys. This is the downtown Covington area. Okay guys, have a nice day.